Off2Class is the software toolkit for teaching English as a foreign language, online or in the classroom, one-on-one or groups. Off2Class is the all-in-one teaching platform that allows you to evaluate, teach, and manage your ESL students. Our comprehensive lesson library puts an entire ESL course at your fingertips, with hundreds of lessons across every level. The placement test allows you to place students with confidence and measure progress, and our interactive classroom features make the students part of the lesson. Teachers' notes make lesson planning a snap, and our enterprise-level reporting features make it easy to manage your students, whether you have 5 or 5,000. See why schools are switching from paper-based textbooks and adopting our bright, beautiful digital content available on any device. To learn more, visit off2class.com.